In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your cPanel with Hostgator. Whether you're setting up a new website or managing an existing one, understanding how to efficiently navigate the cPanel is crucial for your online success. So let's get started. First and foremost, you need to visit the Hostgator website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Hostgator's URL. Once you're there, look for the sign in option, which you'll usually find at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to reach the login section. This step is essential to gain access to the backend features, so make sure you have your credentials handy before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostgator homepage. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the website section. This area functions as your central hub for managing all your hosted domains. Clicking on websites will take you one step closer to accessing the more detailed settings of your site. From the websites section, navigate to the settings area. The settings interface provides all the necessary tools you need to manage the core configurations of your hosting account. It serves as the gateway to more advanced functionalities, so it's quite important that you become familiar with it. Next, you'll see the advanced option. Clicking on advanced will take you to features ideal for users who want to get more detailed in their site management. This option allows you to customize and configure various technical settings according to your specific preferences or requirements. The final link in the chain to accessing your cPanel is the cPanel button. A single click here will guide you directly to the cPanel login page. For those who may not be familiar, cPanel is essentially your one-stop shop for everything related to site management. From installing applications to setting up emails, it's all done here. After reaching the cPanel login page, just input your details to access the cPanel dashboard. With access granted, you'll now have a myriad of management options at your fingertips. The cPanel dashboard is designed for easy navigation, allowing you to maneuver swiftly to the area you wish to modify. Navigating your cPanel via Hostgator may initially seem complicated, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it opens numerous possibilities for managing your website effectively. With practice and time, you'll become more comfortable with these steps, making the process seamless and efficient. So don't be intimidated, dive in and take full control of your web hosting experience. Keep this guide handy if you ever need a quick refresher, and you'll be navigating like a pro in no time.